This is a little embarrassing, but this is my very messy fridge. So I went on Pinterest to find some inspiration to act like I have it all together and decide what I'm gonna do about this mess. So when I walk into my fridge, I'm like, oh, this is disgusting. So I decided to find some pantry organizers on Amazon, which I think will work the same in the fridge. And I'm just going to put it together the best I can, and hopefully we like the results. And so next time when I open my fridge, I feel relaxed and have peace. It has officially been 1 day since I cleaned my fridge, and it does look the same-ish and has been bringing me peace. So I call that a win. But if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps support my channel, and I will make some more cleaning and organizing videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.